Hello everyone, let's learn how to bring virtual machines on same network and discover them. For various reasons machines are brought on same network. Often it's done for penetration testing or file sharing and maybe for various other reasons. In order to know how it happens, let's find the connected machines on same network on VirtualBox or VMware. First of all, we need at least 2 machines running on VirtualBox or VMware. Then we need to make sure if they are on same the network. For this we would first check the settings of machine_1, Kali Linux. Here we would select network, then we would select host only adapter in attached to option and click OK. Then we would go to our second machine and check the settings of second machine, Gara, like the first machine. Here we would select network. Then select host only adapter in attached to option and click OK. Having done with it, open the terminal in Kali Linux. And type the command sudo netdiscover I eth0 and hit enter. Here I is for interactive session and eth0 is network on which it would scan for connected machines. Netdiscover has started scanning the network for connected machines. Meanwhile, in order to know the network range, let's open up another terminal and run ifconfig command. Here we can see we are on network 192.168.56. Let's switch back to the previous terminal and see if other devices have been discovered. Yes, it has discovered another device as well with IP 192.168.56.101 and couple of others. In order to make sure if the device is alive, let's ping it. In terminal type ping an IP of the connected device and hit enter. Great! We can see that machine is alive. That's all for now. If you liked the video, please hit like, subscribe and share.